Work with objects in 2D and 3D modes. 2D mode is convenient for the initial placement of objects in our room. To place an object, we need to hold down the left mouse button and drag it to the desired location. To change the size, we need to click on the object. We can change these dimensions either by using key points, dragging them, or using the panel on the right side. Keep in mind that a lock means that all parameters change proportionally, and an unlocked lock means that we can manipulate each parameter individually. In general, we can either enter our values or use the arrows. If we need to rotate an object, we click on it and can use this tool. In 3D mode, we can also change the parameters on the right side of the screen, either by using the arrows or by entering our own values. In 3D mode, it is convenient to place objects on the walls. If there is an object and we want to duplicate it, we can copy it. We also have a mirroring tool available. In Roomtodo, objects automatically stick to the walls, or to each other. Sometimes this sticking is disturbing. In this case, we can disable it by holding down the Control key. And now we can freely drag the element to the place we need. It will not stick to any surface, wall, or other object. When you need to drag an object a short distance, you can use the arrows on the keyboard. We select an object and use the arrows to move it. Small decorative elements automatically take the height of the object, or surface on which we want to place them. Paintings behave differently than furniture. They stick and move along the wall. The rest of the management of paintings is similar to furniture. You can use the right panel or the arrows on the keyboard.